Are you faced with iPhone black screen but still on issue? In this video, we will show you the reasons why it happens and how to fix it easily. The reasons why your iPhone screen goes black but still works. Hardware issues, such as the internal components or the LCD screen of your iPhone damaged, or you use the iPhone too much. It causes overheat, damaging its connection with the LCD. Software issues, like your iOS system issue, an issue with an app, such as there is an application takes too much memory space, and it incompatible with other apps, or it contains malware. Low battery. If your phone battery is low, the screen would automatically darken. You can try below methods to solve this issue. Method 1. Press iPhone externally. As it may be the reason of connection with the LCD, you can try to lightly press iPhone externally to fix it. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. If you want to hard reset iPhone, you need to quick press the volume up button and quick press the volume down, then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Method 3. Charge your iPhone. In order to prevent iPhone black screen but still an issue caused by battery exhaustion, you can charge your iPhone to have a try. Method 4. iOS system recovery software. The third method is Joyoshare Alt Fix. It is a professional iOS repair tool can fix more than 150 iPhone issues. Not only iPhone, but also iPad, iPod Touch. Firstly, install and launch Joyoshare Alt Fix on the computer. Next, plug your iPhone to the computer. After that, press the start button to proceed. You are now in the mode selection window. There are two modes available for you. As we just need to fix iPhone black screen but still on issue, it is enough to select the standard mode, which will not cause any data loss. Then press the next button. Some of the info about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Make sure all the info is correct and change the wrong parts. Then press the download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the repair button. The downloaded firmware package will be unzipped, and the program will start to fix your iPhone issue. A few minutes later, the repairing process will finish, and your iPhone will come back to the normal. Method 5. Try restore iPhone with iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone to the trusted computer with original USB. Click the iPhone icon after it displays on the screen and then tap on Summary. If you don't back up before, you can choose Backup Now. After backup, you just press on Restore iPhone to factory reset your device. Method 6. Contact Apple Store. If you still can't fix it after using all the ways above, it is the hardware issue, you can reach out to the Apple support to fix it.